Hello guys, today we will see how to write a program to find even numbers. So first declare int I, then run a for loop equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Now declare a variable n and read it using C in n. Our loop will goes to n. Now give a condition if I percent 2 equal to 0. This condition we are using because we have to find even numbers. If the number is divisible by 2 and giving a remainder 0, then that is even number, and if it not divisible by 2, then it is not a even number. Even number, give a condition if it is not divisible by 2, then it is not a even number. Run it. Let's check it up to 10. 0 is even number, 1 is not even number, 2 is even number, 3 is not even number, 4 is even number, 5 is not even number, 6 is even number, 7. We have checked it to 10. So this is the program for finding even numbers. You have to put the condition if the I is divisible by 2, then it is even number, else it is not even number if it is not divisible by 2. So this is the basic program of finding even numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like my all previous videos. Thanks for watching.